There are a lot of people who say that bombing can never win a war. Well, my answer to that is that it has never been tried yet, and we shall see.
Marshal Harris has promised Germany a tremendous, unprecedented, non-stop bombing. The Prime Minister, too, has told them what they may expect, city by city. And this, the Lancaster, is one of the principal means by which those promises will be made good. That prospect is as clear as the bomb aimer's view of his target over Germany, or as clear as this view of Britain from a Lancaster coming into land after a raid. Coats go aloft out of harm's way at factories where they build the Lancaster, and I can tell you they're building plenty and building them fast. Every single worker, man or woman, realizes that the RAF is depending on them for Lancasters, and still more Lancasters. Angela Roberts, a capstan operator, knows this and works away harder than ever. But that goes for them all. Maisie Rafferty at a press. Little Billy drilling. Or Dobson Hind and his mate, Joan Evans, riveting, all out for the bombing of Germany's war production centre. Trimming and hammering, Alice Warburton, Rachel Strong. Jimmy Garnett, an all-in wrestler in his spare time, at a heavy capstan. City by city, thinks he, and the RAF has made a pretty good start. Just a beginning, we're told. Nothing to what the Germans must expect. A terrible prospect indeed, the colossal hammer blows that are most certainly going to fall upon Germany, city by city. Lancasters. More and more Lancasters. Squadron leader Nettleton, who won his VC in a Lancaster, pays a visit to the factory where his aircraft was made, together with comrades of that daringly successful daylight swoop on Augsburg. They wanted to meet the people who made their Lancasters, to thank them for the quality of their craftsmanship. The VC had a word with lots of them, with Laura Bailey, for instance, and with Kay Mitchell, a clear case of hero worship. Amy Norbury, it seems, draws her inspiration from film style. With it, he struck hard, right at the heart of the enemy. Nettleton went right round the factory, missing nothing. The automatic lathe at work, a masterpiece of ingenuity with a brain of its own, a robot needing no human attendant, yet with one obsession, to hurry on with the building of Lancaster. He inspected fuselage sections. He saw Amy McGrath and Harold Friend at work on a bomb floor. saw spot welding, featuring a reflection. In the final nose assembly bay, Tommy Oddy, Les Rowland, the fitter, and electrician Jack Carroll. And he saw that the work was good, that Lancasters are coming along very fast. A magnificent bomber, a real triumph of design and workmanship. With 4 Rolls-Royce Merlin or Bristol Hercules engines, it has a speed of 300 miles an hour, it has a range of 3,000 miles, it has a bomb load of 8 tons, more than twice the load of a Liberator, itself one of America's best bombers. The Lancaster's design, moreover, lends itself to rapid production and to ease of maintenance and repair. Important items these in view of the plans made for the bombing of Germany. At the moment, the Lancaster is the finest heavy bomber operated by the United Nations. We know it's the best in the world, and we believe it's a weapon with a great destiny in the winning of this war. That's the Lancaster, as seen by our cameramen, the brothers Wyand and Jack Ramsden. Final studies of the great bomber in flight were made by Jack Cotter, also of Movieton. Beautiful aerial studies of the latest and most devastating addition to Britain's new giants. That's the city by city.